Welcome back to Learn English with Ease.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom.
Today, we are talking about the weather,
Yes, the weather is an easy topic.
and people talk about it every day,
At work, at school, on the street.
even when you don't know what to say.
The weather is always there.
Tom, how is the weather today?
It's sunny today.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, I like sunny weather.
Me too. Sunny days make me feel happy.
Same here. I feel more energy on sunny days.
Is it hot today?
It's a little warm.
Not too hot?
No, not too hot.
That's good. Very hot weather is hard for me.
Me too. I don't like very hot days.
How was the weather yesterday?
Yesterday was cloudy.
Was it cold?
Yes, a little cold.
Did it rain?
No, it didn't rain.
That's good. I don't like rain.
I like rain sometimes.
Really?
Yes, when I stay at home,
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay at home.
What do you do at home?
I watch movies. I drink tea.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I read books and I listen to music.
Rainy days can be relaxing.
Is it windy today?
No, it's not windy.
That's good. I don't like strong wind.
Same. Strong wind is annoying.
And cold weather?
I don't like cold weather.
Me neither. Cold mornings are hard. How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be sunny.
That's great.
Yes, I want to go for a walk.
I want to go outside too.
Good weather makes plans easy.
People often ask,
How's the weather?
"What's the weather like today?"
And you can answer simply,
It's sunny.
it's cold.
It's raining.
It's warm.
Good job. Listeners, repeat after me.
It's sunny today.
It's cloudy.
It's raining.
It's cold.
It's warm.
Good job.
Talking about the weather is easy.
Yes, and very useful.
You can use it every day
Practice with friends.
or practice alone.
Little by little, your English improves.
Thank you for listening to Learn English with Ease.
See you next time.